I'm Austin Carafa, the Director of Coffee Education here at Sabbath Coffee Roasters. And today, I will be showing you how to make a sludge-free cup of coffee using the French press. If I'm being honest, the French press used to scare me a little bit. I would always get a cup of coffee that was sludgy and just had a lot of coffee grounds in my mug. So I stuck it in the back of my cabinet and totally forgot about it. But I really wanted to learn how to make a really good cup, because you can get an amazing full-bodied cup of coffee. Full-bodied basically just means it's gonna feel a little bit thicker in your mouth as you drink it. And it's gonna feel that thickness because of immersion brew. An immersion brew basically just means there's a longer contact time that the coffee and the water has. So with all of this going through my head, I did some experimenting. And with a little help from James Hoffman, I found a way to get rid of all of that sludginess and to make a very clean cup of coffee. So I'm gonna share that with you guys today. Some things you'll need before you start plunging is a scale, a timer, coffee, water, your French press, and of course, a spoon. For reference, I will be using 40 grams of medium coarse coffee, and I will also be using 500 grams of hot water at 207 degrees. Once that coffee is ground, you're just gonna grab it and dump it into your French press. Once that coffee is in your French press, you're just gonna grab your water and pour it directly on top until you hit 500 grams. After you pour your 500 grams, the worst part is you're gonna have to wait 4 minutes. After that 4 minutes is up, you're just gonna grab your spoon and gently break the coffee. Now what this is gonna allow for is all of those coffee grounds are just gonna fall to the bottom of the French press and pretty much stop the brew. Once you give the spoon a little go around, you're just gonna grab another cup and kind of just scoop up all of that foam and some of the grounds that are left on top. Once all those grounds are out and into another cup, you're just gonna grab your plunger and you're gonna barely plunge it, and you want it just sitting right above that coffee. Now here's another hard part. You're gonna have to wait 2 more minutes for all of that sediment to fall down to the bottom. Once that 2 minutes is up, you could just grab a cup, pour in, and enjoy some sludge-free coffee.